Whai titiri ki te rangi, te arawa ki te whenua. Kua hoki mai anō a Hakaraia ki tōna ūkaipō ki Rotorua. Kia pūrea tōna wairua e ngā hau o te kāinga. Kia wana anō I te tū a tāne rore.
I just feel like I was born for this. I feel like the blood that runs through my veins is the blood of a warrior. When I get there, I remind myself that, you know, I'm cut from the same cloth as my tūpuna. You know, I'm born for this. This is who I am, and you know they kind of just gets me ready. You know, like this is me. This is what I'm made for.
That's a bit weird. You know, part of being Māori's been put on the spot though, so got to be ready at all times. Hoi or not, let's go check out the carvers.
When I'm getting ready to walk out for a fight, or I get to a tournament, and you know, moments before the first fight, the feelings that I feel, the thoughts that are running through my head, I don't think there's anything closer to what our tūpuna done back in the day when they went to war. What else, you know, what else is there that can kind of replicate those thoughts, those emotions that they were feeling as they were going to war with someone else? When you're going out to fight, yeah, there's nothing, there's no feeling like it, and yeah, it feels like when I'm going to fight, I'm ready to die. You have to be prepared to give all you got, you know, come out on your shield.